Good morning everyone. So this is our second day here in Thailand. So we're going to Pattaya later, and for now we are going to eat breakfast. Ayan. And maghanap po kami ni Ma'am si at saka ni Jana ng kainan. Dito kasi exactly 8 a.m. in the morning we're going out and going to Pattaya. It's cost 2 hours travel before to go there. So kailangan namin maaga para makabalik din kami agad. And kakain po muna kami para may energy kaming gumala-gala today. Sorry guys, ito yung itsura kapag bagong gising talaga. And I'm so happy for the second day of our tour today. So see you on my next vlog guys. Ayan, may patakao. Meron po silang mga noodles. Hi! What is this?
Omelette.
Omelette daw. And this one?
40.
40.
Ay daw.
Ayan, 40. Can I have some?
Maaga mo naman.
Ayan, here is the food.
Nangungusta lang, tao. Ba yan? Grabe ba yan? Ano ba yan? May guest ka ba dyan?
40.
Bakit wala kang bat? Wala. Mag-ano lang ako, card.
So we are all colorful.
Sana, ayan pa scarf kasi parang kami sa school, so bawal ko na masyado. Gio! Gio! Wow, ganda ng van natin! Hi, Kuya, good morning! We're going to ride now.
So yung ba namin for the second day here in Thailand.
Ang gagamitin naman ng van na ito, napakaganda ng van, and under mga trophies.
Here's my dress. Thank you Ma'am Judy for my dress. And Scarlett for my bag.
What's your favorite song? Jazz. Okay. Jazz is. What's your favorite song?
So we're here na at Nong Notch, Pattaya. Oh my god, ang ganda dito. Entrance pa lang po to ha, hindi pa to yung pinaka pupuntahan namin. So see you later guys.
Non-touch Convention Center. Wala po wala malaming daw. Ang dami talaga pa.
Ayun na guys, we're going to buy ticket for the Nong Notch show here in Pattaya, Thailand. And we gonna seeing the elephant show. Yeah, and I'm gonna video there later. So many people here buying tickets. Ayan guys. Kailangan doon namin malisan para hindi doon po namin mamiss ang every show here.
Ay, ganito pala yan, no?
Guys. Ayan. Nag-follow lang kami ng rules. Kailangan kasi andito kami bago magkuha ng ticket for everyone. Makita ng cashier na kasama niya yung mga pupunta sa show. Ayan. Ayan. We're here at Nong Notch Tropical Garden. Oh my god, ang ganda dito.
Picture now.
Ayan. Ayan guys, Nong Notch Tropical Garden.
Dati mo kami ng gel, ay, hindi din hindi ko.
Dato ko dibilid dam sa
Oh my god. Wow, that's nice.
Sobrang lagi ng ayaw pa.
Bilisan daw! Madam! Wow, the Thailand show!
Attention landscape sponsors DVDs from Angel Street Sponsors กษัตริย์เมืองหลวงชัยเจ้าอักษรศรีระดับโรงดานซ์ is a dance for watching beautiful movement.
The food of Thailand. Guys, para kami dinala sa iba't ibang bansa sa show dito sa Nong Nong. Oh my God, look.
Alek talaga daw to.
Grabe, para kaming nasa iba't ibang bansa dito sa buong mundo. I love it. Nong Nong Pattaya, Taiwan is the best show here in Pattaya. See you on my next vlog.